Hi, this is Virta, co-founder and CEO of thesaunaheater.com. Today I'm here at Bedding Distribution Center in Chicago. So in this video I'm going to talk to you about this beautiful black sauna heater and the reason why it's one of the most reliable sauna heaters on the market today. The special thing about Harvia Virta sauna heater is that the heating elements of this heater are not in direct contact with the stones themselves. That elongates the lifespan of the heating elements, and it's very rare to see any problems or breaks when it comes to heating elements of Harvia Virta. Also, the aluminium structure makes the safety distances that this heater requires you to keep from combustible materials like the benches, your sauna benches if they are made out of wood, or your wooden sauna walls, extremely thin. There is something for everyone in this Harvia Virta sauna heater lineup. So the Virta comes in 2 different types and 6 different configurations. So we have the standard Virta heater, which is your traditional sauna heater like we have here, and then we have the Virta Combi heater that have both the sauna heater and a steamer integrated into one. The standard Harvia Virta is available in 6 kW, 8 kW, 9 kW, 10.5 kW, 16 kW and 20 kW. The smaller versions 6, 8, 9 and 10.5 are wired with 240 volts one phase, which makes them optimal for home use. The 16 kW and 20 kW are commercial sauna heaters wired with 208 volts 3-phase, making them suitable for commercial buildings and popular in spas and gyms and any bigger sauna spaces used commercially. Harvia Virta utilizes an external Xenio control system. So Harvia Xenio is an external sauna control system that will be responsible for controlling your sauna environment. Harvia Xenio is suitable with all Harvia sauna heaters that use an external control system instead of the control knobs on the bottom of the sauna heater itself. What you will get in the Xenio control package is the power unit, the temperature sensor, the control panel itself, and the cable to connect the control panel to the power unit. So how the Harvia system works is that you wire from your electrical panel to the power unit and from the power unit to the sauna heater. Then you will also wire your temperature sensor to the power unit and your control panel that is placed outside of your sauna room to the power unit itself. So power unit is like the central brain of the sauna operation. The advantage of having an external control system compared to having such control knobs on the bottom of the sauna heater like we have here is that you don't need to knee down when you want to access the controls to turn them on. Also, you will be able to schedule your sauna to turn on 8 hours in advance and more precisely when you have an external control system compared to having control knobs on the bottom of the sauna heater itself. You will also be able to equip your Harvia Xenio control system with the Wi-Fi enabled control panel. So you will in any case have just one panel placed outside of your sauna room, but when you have the Wi-Fi add-on, you will be able to control your sauna through an app on your phone as well as from the control panel outside of the sauna room. You don't need to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network to control your sauna when you have the Xenio Wi-Fi add-on integrated in the Xenio control system. This means that even when you're commuting from work to home or wherever you are, you can always turn your sauna on remotely as long as the sensors show that it's safe. When you have the biggest Harvia Virta sauna heater, so the 16 kW or 20 kW sauna heater, or in case you want to wire 2 Harvia sauna heaters together that will exceed the 16 kW rating, you will additionally need a Xenio extension box in order to be able to feed enough power to your sauna heater system. But the products that require that will state very clearly that it's required for running your sauna heater system. When it comes to installing your Xenio control panel to an outdoor sauna, please keep in mind that it is recommended that the Xenio control panel's temperature doesn't go below -4 Fahrenheit or above 158 Fahrenheit. In case you have an outdoor sauna that is located in a very rainy and cold environment, we also have enclosures available for the Xenio control panel as well as for the power unit. When it comes to the power unit can handle temperatures from 14 Fahrenheit up to 122 Fahrenheit. So we recommend that you make sure that the temperatures don't exceed those limits when installing your sauna heater system. And as said, we do have enclosures available in case you need to have the Xenio control panel or the power unit in an environment where these temperature ratings are exceeded. When it comes to the Harvia Virta Combi sauna heaters, those will have, as said, the sauna heater and the steamer integrated into one. That allows you to choose your bathing experience between traditional Finnish sauna, aromatic sauna, herbal sauna or a steam sauna. If you get the Harvia Combi sauna heater, it will be directly connected to your water supply and it will have a 5-liter water tank that will distribute the steam for you if you choose to have the steam sauna experience with the Combi heater. Harvia Combi sauna heater is built for family and home saunas and it is available in 240 volts one phase in 6 kW, 8 kW, 9 kW and 10.5 kW configurations. Since Harvia Virta comes in so many configurations, it will be suitable for saunas from 177 adjusted cubic feet up to 1130 adjusted cubic feet if you select the biggest configuration. Even if you have a bigger sauna than the one that Virta Pro 20 kW is capable of, you can just stack multiple Virta Pro heaters right next to each other and control the sauna environment through one Xenio control system. This is what some of our commercial clients do. When it comes to sizing the Harvia Virta and getting the correct configuration for your specific sauna measurements, please contact us or use our sauna heater size calculator to determine the correct configuration. When it comes to sauna heater accessories, the Virta heater and the Xenio control system are sold separately, but we have them listed as packages on our site. Also, the Wi-Fi feature is something that you need to select separately, but when you go to our pages and look at the packages, you will have the option to just click it into your package. Additionally, you may want to get a safety rail to offer some additional safety. We have some available for all of the Harvia Virta sauna heaters, as well as bucket and ladle and some other additional sauna accessories. Whenever you are ready to purchase your Harvia Virta sauna heater, just go to thesaunaheater.com and you can also contact us and we will help you to get the right gear in place. Your sauna heater will come from here in the Chicago distribution center and reach you in the quickest manner possible. This was Veeti from the Sauna Heater. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.